Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to our channel, and I am back with another tool review. So the product that I am going to review today is website Speedy. For businesses or for various other purposes, website nowadays is a must. However, having a website is not enough. You also need to optimize it properly so that the bounce rate of your website remains low. But unfortunately, because of various reasons, from installing themes to installing different types of plugins, your website can be laggy and it can take super long time to load. In that case, people are not going to stay on your website, they are not going to click on any options, and this way the bounce rate of your website is going to increase more and more. So this is where website Speedy comes. As you can see on their website, it makes your website 3 times more faster than before, and as a result you are going to retain your visitors and then you can convert them into your actual customers. So there are some features of website Speedy. As you can see on page speed, these are some of the scores that website Speedy have achieved on GTmetrix and then on Pingdom. So all of these scores are very impressive, and you can also see website Speedy works in a very easy way. So you do not have to be a webmaster or a web developer to learn how to use website Speedy. Website Speedy also supports various platforms such as Shopify, Wix, BigCommerce, Squarespace, and so many others. A great news is website Speedy is currently available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. So by paying only $49, you can get lifetime access to website Speedy, and keep in mind the usual price is around $500. So you are saving over $450 if you buy this website Speedy AppSumo deal. And about the features, these are the features that you will get. So you can add one site, and the page views limit per month is unlimited. The loading speed is going to be 3 times more faster. You can also invite your team members. There are going to be monthly reports as well as ticket support. So if you want to buy this AppSumo deal, check the link in the description of this video. There is also a subscription plan of website Speedy. So these are the 3 monthly subscription plans, and then there is also an yearly plan. So on yearly plan you are going to get 2 months free, and these are all the features you will get from the subscription plans. So after you complete the registration process on website Speedy, you are going to get a page like this. So from here you have to pick some options, such as this first step is asking me to describe my website. So I'm going to select e-commerce and retail, and then I have to select the platform. So as you can see, these are the platforms. So for this video purpose, I'm going to show you how you can add your Shopify website and then increase the speed of that particular website. So let's select Shopify, and then I have to paste the URL of my website. So as you can see, I have pasted my website URL, and then you have to add the admin URL, and for this it is Shopify, and then click on submit. So as you can see, now we are in the dashboard of website Speedy, and I have successfully added my Shopify website, and there are some details such as platform, speed for desktop, for mobile, and then page views, and then there are some other details. So you can add a new project from this section. You can also view all the details from here, and if you want to edit your website or add some other websites, you can do that from this option. As you can see, this is the only website I currently have. You can also add some other websites. So let's go back to the dashboard. So coming back to the dashboard, to make your website more fast, you first have to select your website from this option and then simply click on your website, and then you will get this page. So on the left of the dashboard, you can install website Speedy, which I'm going to do. You can also check the current speed, and that is given by Google Page Analytics. So let's click on install website Speedy. So as you can see, you have to go through 6 steps to make your website faster, and in this first step you will see the current page speed of your website from Google Page Insight, and these are the speed and other stats. There are also 2 other integrations incoming. One is GTmetrix and the other is Pingdom. So if you think the analysis is fine, you have to click on confirm and continue to step 2, and then you have to generate loading speed and enhancement script. For that, click on this. So this this is a vital step, so make sure you watch these parts very carefully. So this is the script that has been generated particularly for my website, the Elite Shopify website. So I have to copy this script, and for that I simply have to left click on my mouse and just see what they have written in there. Add this script code before closing the head tag in your theme. So you have to paste this code on the theme panel of Shopify, and where the exact location is before closing the head tag. I'm going to show you how to do that, so don't worry. Just make sure you copy this script. So to add this script, first you have to log into the admin panel of your Shopify website. As you can see, I have done that. And then you have to click on online store. If online store is not visible on your dashboard, you have to click on sales channel, and from here you can find online store. And then as you can see, we are now in the themes tab. So this is my current theme. So before you change the code on the theme panel, you have to make sure you have a backup. For that, click on these three dots and then click on duplicate. And as you can see, a duplicate version of your theme or a backup has been created. So now is the perfect time to edit the code of the theme. For that, once again click on these three dots and then choose edit code, and then you have to head to the theme liquid tab. So these are all the codes for your theme, and you have to find the closing head tag. If you have trouble finding the closing head tag, simply click on Ctrl and F on your keyboard and then write head. And if you scroll down, you are sure to find the closing head tag. So as you can see, we have found our closing head tag, and let's put some line break and then paste our code, the code that we copied from website Speedy's dashboard, right above head tag, and then simply click on save. After saving your code on Shopify's dashboard or the coding section, you can simply click on verify and go to step 4, and that will be it. That will be enough to increase the website speed. After that, you can check your website on platforms like GTmetrix. As you can see, GTmetrix is currently saying my website's performance is 100% and the structure is also good, and other vitals are also very good. Since my website is new, it was not really slow, so the performance is already up to the mark. But if you have an established website or an old website, website Speedy is going to be super useful for you, because in a few seconds and by completing a handful of steps, you can increase your website speed by 3 times, which is amazing. So once again, website Speedy is available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. It is available at only $49. So if you want to buy this deal, make sure you check the link in the description. And to be honest, website Speedy is a great tool. It is super easy to use even for a beginner, and the website boost is also very true, and it also supports a lot of platforms, which I really like. Website Speedy is an alternative to Nitro Pack, and these are the features that you will get from the super plan of website Speedy in AppSumo. So that's it for our today's video. If you have enjoyed this video, like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.